really fascinating.
So anyways, guys, I made this amazing fascination. So I was going down... Wait, I think I might sneeze. You good, Griffin? Never mind, I lost it. Okay, as I was saying, I was sitting down at the bar, and then it suddenly hit... Wait, no, not again. Never mind, the sneeze is gone. Oh, that's wonderful, Griffin. If only I gave a shit. So can you stop interrupting what I'm trying to say for 5 seconds? Great. So then it hit me. The real problem with women and black people is that they are...